All right, friends, we are going to review the 3 high frequency or sight words that we are looking at this week. So I'm going to flash the word and then you are going to say the word and maybe think of a sentence that you could say with that word. So here's our first word. What is this word? I. Very good. Now I want you, sorry about the bell. I want you to think about a sentence that you can say or write with the word I. Very good. I am Mrs. McClure, right? That's a sentence that I could use with the word I. What is this word? Am. A-M spells am. I am 6 years old, right? Or I am a good friend. So use that word am in a sentence. Very good. And our last word, what is this word right here? The. This is the word the. Like the boy is running fast. Can you think of a sentence using this word the? Very good. So let's go back and review them. What is this word? This is the word I. Very good. What is this word? This is the word am. And this is the word the. So these words are words that we need to know just by looking at them. We can recognize them and we know exactly what they are. So as we're reading, when you read books, you will be able to know what these words are just by looking at it, right? I am the. Very good. So I'm going to show you what your assignment is for today with our sight words or our high frequency words. So here we have my words to know. So what are these words here? We know these words. What is this word? I, am, and the. Very good. So what we have to do is we have to figure out which sight word or high frequency word is going to match in this sentence. So let's look at the first one together. I blank big. So which word makes sense in the sentence? I big. Does that make sense? I am big. Or I the big. Which word makes the best sense? If you said am, you are correct. So we're going to write am here. I am. Now let's read it. I am. And we can sound this word out. If you are familiar with these letter sounds already, we know that B says B, I says I, and G says G. So B-ig, big. We stretch those sounds out. So the sentence is, I am big. Good. So let's look at the next one together. So what do you think you can read this sentence? It is blank best. Best. So which one of these two words that we haven't already used, I'm going to put X through this, makes the best sense? It is I best or it is the best? Which one do you think fits? That's right, the word the. It is the best. Good. And what is the last word up here that we are left with to put it in our sentence? The word I. Good. So it says blank like to play. Okay. So what are we going to put right here? We're going to put that word I. And because it is the first word in a sentence, and also when I is by itself, we always write an uppercase I. So if it starts with, if it's the first word in a sentence, and also if it's by itself, it's always a capital or an uppercase I. I like to play. So this is what you're going to do today for your assignment is you are going to go in and read this. You're going to try to, read the sentences and put the words that make sense. And then I want you to record yourself, which I'm not going to record, but I want you to record yourself reading those sentences. After you put the words in, read those sentences using those high frequency words. Okay? All right, great job, friends. See you later.